one student. I'm waiting on one student. Thank you. So, today in reading, we're going to be going over a little bit of what we did yesterday. So who can remind me, what have we been talking about for the last 2 days in reading? Yeah, what have we been talking about Monday and Tuesday in reading? A tall, silent hand. I have 1, 2, 3. I should have more hands than that. 4 hands. What have we been talking about? 5 hands. 6 hands. Alan, what have we been talking about in reading? In the reading, what have we been talking about, Hunter? Hands? Not this one. Remember, I'm going to give you a hint because it's new to us.
Girls and boys that are not in the same.
I love your answer, but can you give me a tall, silent hand? Julio.
Girls and boys that split up, and there's a class of boys and only and a class of girls only.
Yeah, so
That happened before.
there was separation, right? We were talking about how there was this rule, this regulation number 9, and how in 1975, the rule changed and they allowed boys and girls to be split up. And we had a debate about that. And you guys, when I gave you that exit ticket and you got to write your opinion, and you gave me evidence for your opinion of why you wanted that, I read those last night, and there were some great opinions and evidence.
Did I?
And there was a lot of you had a great answer because, like Adalia, I remember, and I also remember that Fabian put some girls and some boys, and we talked about that, not lump summing everybody in one group, right? Because that's not fair. We had a discussion about that yesterday. No, it's not fair to lump sum people, right? But we also talked about getting that main idea, right? Having that main idea from our text. And who can remind me, what is the main idea? What is main idea? Like 1 hand, 2 hands, 3 hands, 4, 5. What is main idea of a text? Taryn, tell me. Thank you, Taryn. That was our main idea of yesterday, but what is main idea? What is that? What does those 2 words mean? What's the definition, Javier?
What the story is about.
Yeah, what the story?
Is mainly about.
Mainly about, or mostly about. Mostly about. So we're going to practice that today, because there's some of you, we just need a little review, and I thought it would be really fun to do an activity. And so, you guys have a job to do.
What kind?
This is your first morning. I don't want to hear the popsicle stick. Head up, please. Head up. This, well, I should say these envelopes hold your evidence. And remember we talked about evidence? We went over that definition of evidence. So Adalia, can you read that to me? What is evidence?
Facts or details that help support your.
Yeah, your opinion. And so that's what we did yesterday because we were making up our opinion that if we want people to take us seriously and our opinion seriously, we need to back it up with evidence, right? We need to back it up with facts. And that's what we did yesterday. But today we're going to use the evidence in these folders to help us find the main idea. So you guys are going to be detectives. So this table, you're going to work together. This table in the middle are going to be detectives. And you're going to find me the main idea. for this table and this table. You guys are going to work together as a group. And you're going to tell me your evidence. And from that evidence, you're going to find the main idea. I'm going to put these in the center. Eyes should be on me. I'm going to be putting these in the center of your table. When I say go, you're going to open your envelopes and find your evidence. Yep. One per table. Thank you, Javier. So there's one envelope per table group. Okay? Not everybody. I have 4. So I'm going to put it in the center, and then in a 6-inch voice, you're going to talk to your table about what your main idea is. Share the evidence and talk about that main idea. So when I say go, you're going to touch the envelope and open it up. Rosie is going to be responsible to open this envelope when I say go. Aiden's going to be responsible to open this envelope when I say go. Alan's going to be responsible to open this envelope when I say go. Johnny's going to be responsible for this envelope when I say go. Put it back, please. Go. I see Alan examining his evidence.
We know where we're going.
Aiden's going to share his evidence out with his table. Keep going, there's more in there.
It's the movie. Any popcorn?
Oh, Maya, share that evidence with Amy. We're going to find out what is your main idea. Talk it out. I'm going to give this. I'm going to give it. Just a few more 30 seconds.
Everybody gets it. Oh, they already have it.
You have 30 more seconds to examine your evidence. It's okay though. You know you have it, right? So then it's okay. Oh, it looks like Aiden's writing down some evidence. No, he's not, but he took the next step and he's kind of brainstorming different ideas. I like it, Aiden. Good initiative.
Are we going to